Hi guys, and welcome to the video. Today I just wanted to sit down and talk to you a little bit about the experience I've had so far with the online makeup academy, which honestly has been mind-blowing and humbling to say the least. If you guys are just now clicking on this video because you're researching the online makeup academy, hello, my name is Connor. I am a beauty YouTuber here, and I have been dying to get my certification as a makeup artist just so I can further my knowledge beyond things that I've learned here as a beauty YouTuber and take my skills at what I love doing, which is makeup, and becoming a freelance makeup artist in the real world beyond sitting here in front of a camera. And so for that reason, I'm so thankful for the online makeup academy. And let's just say it was fate that brought me here. Fate, you guys. So I was looking up the online makeup academy on my own time for months, and I'm like, I would really love to do that. I don't know if I have enough time to do that. It's very expensive, all of that. Here I am 6 months down the road, and I'm doing my yearly email clean out, and I come across an email from the online makeup academy way back like 6-7 months ago asking if I would like to join their program, get certified as a makeup artist, get the course for free, whichever I picked, in exchange for a video review. And I was like, yes, 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 because I was literally about to go down the road myself and take the online course because I've heard really, really good things about it. My friend Noelle went through it and got her certification, and she is a wonderful makeup artist. She does weddings, she does like bridal, which is weddings, she does prom makeup, she does photo shoot makeup, she does makeup for artists here in Nashville. She does it all, and I don't feel like it would have been as possible if it wasn't for the online makeup academy and getting her certification. Now, what I absolutely have loved so far is the fact that nothing here is a set in stone time. You guys know I'm very, very, very busy being a stay-at-home mom slash farm girl, okay? I have over 100 animals, I have a 9-year-old, and I do YouTube. So it's like, how am I supposed to sit here and have time to do a makeup school and be able to even finish? Well, guess what, you guys? There's no time limit. So this is a school based in New York, and they created the online makeup academy so it would be so much more accessible to people who don't have the time and they want to dabble and, you know, get into their makeup or hair career. And so they created the online course so everyone who is super busy, like stay-at-home moms, yada yada yada, will have the time to actually sit down, learn everything there is to know, and get certified to go out into the real world and get a real job playing with makeup, doing what you love. So that's what we're going to talk about today, is my experience so far. And I'm so excited that I had this opportunity knock at my door, because this is something I've thought about doing for the longest time beyond YouTube, and I'm so thankful that they reached out to me, and of course I agreed. I'm so ecstatic. So thank you, Online Makeup Academy, for this opportunity. You guys are the best. I don't know where I would be without you guys, like legit. So anyways, I have gone through and went through all of the curriculum. I've taken my tests. I took my final certification test. The only thing that I'm lacking is my homework, which, yes, you do have homework from instructors, and it's based off of like the curriculum and the courses. And let me just pull up on the screen that it's not just a few things. No. No. It is hours and hours and hours and hours of teaching. It's not just a few things. It's not a couple of videos. It's like one's 73 minutes long, one's 30 minutes long, one's 60 minutes long, one's another 80 minutes long. They go into detail so much, and the amazing thing about it is the fact that once you have signed on to a course, you will forever be able to go back to that course and refresh on all of the knowledge that you learned. And the best thing is that they will update when the times are changing, and you will get that for free. Every update that they have to the course, you get for free, which is amazing. Also, if you're interested, I do have a discount where you can get $100 off of your course. I will have that linked down below. That is very important because it is expensive and it's perfect to save money when you can. So I don't get anything for you guys saving the money. It's literally just for you to save if this is something that you would like to do, which I know a lot of my followers do want to become makeup artists, and I can without a doubt say this is the best thing I've ever found in my life, which I was already like dabbling and looking at online schools, like I said, and the Online Makeup Academy was the one that stood out the most to me. And when you do sign up, depending on, you know, what you're wanting to learn about, you will have the makeup kit, which is a lot of professional makeup like Makeup Forever, Inglot, things like that. You can look, I'll have a screenshot of like your basic kit that you'll get and stuff. Let's go back a little bit to homework. You will have assignments that you will have to complete and send to your instructor, which you will have one-on-one time with your instructor. You can request to speak to them and they will video you and, you know, give you feedback. So it's not like you're just doing this all willy-nilly and stuff. You're like literally getting feedback from a real person, and you have an instructor. You can ask questions and you will get a response. And that's one amazing thing that I love about it, is the fact that you have that ability to have an instructor online, and the fact that you can literally watch 5 minutes, take a break if you have to attend to something, if you have to go pick up your kid from school, you gotta go to the bathroom, you can hit pause. You can do it at your own pace. My favorite thing has been to cook dinner while I'm watching. That's been a whole game changer. So the fact that you can do it at your own pace and your own time is amazing, because they want you to succeed in life. They don't want you to fail. You can retake your tests so you can learn and not feel like a failure. Like, you can retake it, learn, and eventually you will be certified if you finish the course. It's gonna take a long time, but the knowledge is there. I really wanted to do it as well because you guys know I'm here and I'm doing my tutorials, and I cannot explain things correctly. I can't tell you what this synthetic brush is for or what this natural hair brush is for. I can't tell you about undertones and skin tones and all the things and how you should properly do things. They teach you how to properly do makeup for natural, for the film industry, photo shoots. They tell you how to do it all, and they go in depth. The color wheel, it's amazing, and I've so far learned so much. And the fact that I have gone back to rewatch things because I'm like, let me listen to that one more time, because I just want to know if I'm remembering it correctly, so I can go back whenever I want. Here it is. Your girl, I've been talking about this in several videos, how I've been excited about the fact that I'm doing the Online Makeup Academy. You guys have commented and been like, do you love it? How's it going? And it's been great, because this is something that, like, I'm just like, look, I'm barely even having to make edits here because I'm just going on and on and on, because I'm just so ecstatic that this is a thing. I'm so thankful for the Online Makeup Academy for furthering my knowledge. Also, I love that in the beginning they're like, YouTube, beauty YouTubers are not who you should listen to when it comes to applying makeup and stuff, because it's just not the correct way. It's not how everyone should do it. You learn the different face shapes, how you should contour, blush, apply the eyeshadow and all that to the different eyes, the different face shapes, the different cheeks, structures, and highlighting. It's like there's so much that is just so in depth, and they're like, don't listen to them because it's not one note for everyone. Like, you want to be, you know, the almond round face, whatever it was. See, look, now I'm gonna have to go back because now I can't remember, because I'm so excited that, like, my gears are spinning. Like, you want to contour to make everyone have that oval face that's perfect. You have the downward eyes. It's just, there's so much knowledge that I didn't even think about. I didn't think about at all. So I'm just, you guys, check it out. I mean, it is great. You can watch so many people's reviews talking about the Online Makeup Academy. I went and watched a couple whenever I was researching them before I even found my email, and I was like, ooh, I want to do that. When I have the money, I'm gonna do that. And I was just so thankful that when I was doing my yearly email that I found that I had an email from them from like June of 2023. So oh, I'm so thankful that I found that, because your girl, this is what I've needed. I've been so depressed, and now that I have like a beyond YouTube goal is like amazing to me. Like, I have a beyond YouTube goal. And it's gonna be based of word of mouth for like the longest time. It's like, hey, this girl, she's doing makeup. You get business cards, you hand them out, you know? And then like you have family who their kids are doing prom, and then the parents of them are like, oh, cool. And then so they're like, well, I have this other friend who is gonna have prom next weekend. You should do their makeup. And then you can build a business off of that. Like, and then Facebook, Instagram, social media is so huge that it's so easy to be a freelance makeup artist these days. And there's so many resources that it's like, why not? If you are a makeup lover like me, why not make this your career? Why not get serious, you know? I think they have payment plans, if I'm not mistaken. I will have, like I said, I'll have it all linked down below, but I'm so happy. Like, I love the format of everything. I love how easy it is. Everything is just labeled so nicely on there, and they're just so thorough. If I had to like use a couple words to describe the Online Makeup Academy, it would be thorough, knowledgeable, and a lifesaver. No joke. So anyways, that's all I really wanted to say about the Online Makeup Academy. I could go on and on, but you guys know I don't like long videos, but you guys ask me anything you want. I don't know what questions you guys would ask me for me to like go ahead and tell you now in this video. So please, my Instagram DMs are open. My YouTube comments are open. I will reply, because this is something that's life-changing, you guys. This will change your life. So I will answer every single thing that there is to answer, and I cannot wait to share my knowledge in my future videos so I sound like I know what I'm doing, because like, come on, like they said in the video, you can't always listen to YouTubers. That's who you shouldn't listen to. They're right, because like your girl don't even know what she's doing on YouTube. I'm just like, this is what's working for me. You should do it too. It's like, you know, I can't wait to sound a little bit more profesh in my videos. But anyways, thank you again, Online Makeup Academy, for allowing me to have this opportunity to further my career as more than a YouTuber, but a freelance makeup artist, certified MUA. And you bet your bottom dollar when I get my homework done, my makeup looks based off of the lessons, that I'm going to be having certified MUA in all of my bios, because that is something to be proud of, to accomplish going and doing an online school for something you love like makeup, becoming certified, and you can have that MUA status. I'm excited for that. So your girl's got to do her homework. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that my words have kind of inspired you to do something that you are really passionate about in 2024. Let me know if this is something that you plan on doing. Again, my discount code saves you $100. I get no kickback. It means nothing to me. All it is $100 more in your pocket. So thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!